What do you think?
What are you recording for?
I'm getting the full intro.
Oh, good, 'cause I'm about to slay that fucking shit.
About to slay it. It's pretty deep.
It ain't deep.
I just mean the whole valley here. Those are some deep ruts. Yeah, you have to get on some ground and gun it. Woo!
Fuck did I tell you, boy?
What you say?
What
What you say? Straight up in the air. You gonna go through this way? You gonna hit the other pond or no?
No, we're about to hit that shit again.
Alright. We are gonna hit the other pond. I'm going through changes. Round two, we found a spot.
I don't know about it.
What'd you say?
I don't know about it.
It's some tough shit right here.
Fucking, I'm trying to.
If we get fucked, if we get stuck, we're fucked. Oh yeah!
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, look at that creek.
You know what I'm talking about?
Look at that creek. Oh, we're smoking. We're smoking. We're smoking.
They smoking shit. Fucking
We're
Marlboro
smoking.
Reds. We smoking Marlboro Reds. It's about the only thing we're fucking smoking.
Yeah, back up.
Alright, get a good damn picture on that shit. Damn. Alright.
Oh
You
no!
puff.
Look at the smoke. Look at my arm. Oh God, my whole everything.
Alright, big puff.
Okay. Well, what do you think? We're gonna stop it
I
here.
think we're fucking stuck. And
We are stuck, son. Sonny, we're there. That's the walk of shame. We have no service.